my favorite story from when I was a little girl. It's called Cranberry Thanksgiving by Wendy and Harry Devlin. And I love this story so much because it's about grandmother's famous cranberry bread. So after all kinds of intrigue and excitement and people wanting to steal this recipe, at the end of the book, you get grandmother's famous cranberry bread recipe. So today, on Cooking with Christina Fogel, I'm going to make grandmother's famous cranberry bread. To make this fabulous cranberry bread, I'm going to start by sifting together 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to whisk this together a little bit. I'm going to take 1/4 cup of cold butter and I'm going to chop it into little pieces. I'm going to add the cold butter to the flour mixture. I'm going to work it in with a fork. You can also use a pastry blender. I'm just dragging the fork through the flour and butter mixture, trying to work the butter in, just like making a pie crust. This is a trick that makes this bread so moist and delicate and light. I love this. Mix this until it's crumbly. I'm going to put this to the side for a minute and get another bowl. I'm going to crack 1 egg. I'm going to whisk this real quick. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of fresh orange juice. You can also use store-bought orange juice. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of grated orange rind and then just whisk it together. I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And I'm just going to fold it in until it's evenly moistened. I don't want to overmix this. Now I'm going to stir in 2 cups of coarsely chopped cranberries. The recipe calls for 1½ cups of cranberries and 1½ cups of raisins. I usually leave the raisins out, so I put a little bit more cranberries in it. Pecans or walnuts are also really good in this recipe. I'm going to spray a 9x5 loaf pan and spoon the bread into the pan. Oh, I just love cranberries. They're so pretty and festive. I'm going to smooth out the top a little bit. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 1 hour and 10 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. This is my favorite picture in the whole book, when they're all eating pumpkin pie together. I love it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to click to subscribe and hit that like button. The recipe's on the website, there's a link down below. It's ChristinaFogel.com.